Hello everyone, I am Lakshmi Matli, Assistant Professor in English from Srimati I.S. Yadwad Government First Grade College, Ramdurg. Here in this video lecture, I would like to discuss about the articles which is prescribed for BCom first semester basic English. So now we can discuss the meaning, definition, and types and introductory rules of the articles in this video session. So let us come to the concept. What is an article? Article is a type of determiner that introduces a noun and shows whether the noun is specific or general. Articles are essential in English because they have clarify, they have its own clarification. They will help to clarify what you are referring to. Means they are essential for clarity in the communications. Are you referring a kind of specific thing or not? We can determine based on the articles. The types of articles. These determiners having a two kinds of articles. So one is the indefinite article, then second one is definite article. The indefinite article are a and an. The definite article is the. So let us discuss what do you mean by indefinite article and what are the rules for using a indefinite articles like a and an. So the indefinite articles are the determiners used before referring to a non-specific or general noun. Means the title itself telling that it is indefinite means we are referring non-specific things. So we used before these indefinite articles before singular countable nouns. So I hope you have understood. The indefinite meaning itself is telling the it's a meaning. The indefinite means the we are referring to a non-specific, indefinite, or a kind of general nouns. And here, these indefinite articles having a two articles. One is a, another one is an. So A is used before words that starts with a consonant sound. A is used before the words that start with a consonant sound. An is used before words starting with the vowel sound. Example, a teacher. Teacher is T is a consonant. An apple. Apple A is apple starts with the vowel sound a, so that is why we used an hour. Look at here, although this hour starts with the letter h which is consonant, but we use an before it because it having a silent letter h before it, but it starts with the vowel sound hour, like that. Next we can discuss about the definite article the. We can use the definite article to refer to a specific, or when the listener or the reader knows which particular noun is being talked about. So it is, we can say that it is specific, it is known, the definite, it is definite already. So that's why we can call it as a definite article. And it can be used before a singular or plural nouns and the countable or uncountable nouns. So examples are the sun, the girl, the water, and many more things. The east, the west, like that. The Himalaya, which is already definite, which is already specific things, which is already known to us. The Himalaya can be known to us, the sun is can be known to us, the east, west, and north, where the south means which are the which is familiar to us can be considered as the definite articles. So, by observing all these definite articles and indefinite articles, we can come to the a kind of conclusions. Articles, the usage of the articles is based on the sound, not spelling. It is based on the sound, not the spelling. And for example, a university, it having a U, a oval at the beginning of the word, but having a consonant sound. That's why we can say that a university, an R, an honest. So even though they are starts with the H, but start having a oval sound in it. So that's why we say that an or an honest. So like this, articles depends on the pronunciation, not just spelling. So articles a can be used, a and can be used before singular countable nouns. A is before used before consonant nouns, consonant sound, and an can be used before vowel sound. The can be used before the specific or previously mentioned nouns. So a is having like examples like a boy, a doctor, a unit. Even though unit starts with the letter U but having a consonant sound. That's why we say that a unit. And example for the an article, an apple, an hour, an MLA. Just observe it. An MLA, MLA, MLA. M starts with the pronunciation of vowel. That's why we use an. The examples for definite article the are the car, the river, the water, and many more things. I hope you have understood basic meanings and basic rules of the usage of the articles. We can discuss the advanced rule and exceptional cases of in the usage of articles and special usage of the articles in the next video session of the articles class. So I hope you have understood. Now I can wind up the class and see you in the next class.